Hello. This is the second time I'm talking to the camera ever since White Cockade. Just want to give a thanks to Dwayne Bradley because he's very helpful in inspiring me to make these videos. I got inspired by one of his videos doing Royal Bird. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Also note, I know most of my friends that I work with are aware that I have a YouTube channel. This is the first video you watch. Welcome. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're going to be mad at me or not, but I'm here. Alright. So I'm going to be playing Royal Bird Medley. We're not going to do the full thing, but we're just going to go to Devil's Dream. sorry I had to stop late. My phone just died, but that's pretty much it. Yeah. Thank you, Dwayne, for supporting me. You're awesome. And my coworkers, I'm aware that you're watching me. I don't know, I'll heart your comments if you do type any. And yeah, thank you.